Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm going to use something that you can find in any resale shop for the base of a tree. I have never seen this idea. You take an old lamp base, preferably metal and heavy, remove the guts of the lamp, and put in the tree. It's the top of a tree, a Christmas tree. So if you find a tree that's missing pieces, just use the top. Okay, so here is my plan. I am going to take this lamp base that I've torn apart. I'm going to eventually glue it all together with E6000. It should hold it. It's a really heavy base. I believe it to be brass. And I'm going to take this topper of a tree. It's just the top of a big giant tree. And I'm going to make the lamp base a base for this tree. And I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of spray foam for the tree, which will also probably end up being E6000. And I'll fluff it out and I will have a really cool tree on what's better, a really cool base. Sorry, I did not catch it on video. I took E6000, put a ring all the way around the top piece, and laid it in. And I was careful to line those seams up on each side. Hubby had a gigantic can, well, not gigantic, but a can of nails that's really heavy, and I set it on top. And I will see you in the morning. Next morning, here's my lamp base. E6000 worked. It's very heavy. Can't wait to get the tree in it. This lamp base really elevates this tree in height and in design. I really, really like it. Here I have a tree, a different tree, just sitting on a candlestick. I hope I'm getting this video out to you early enough so that you can start looking for your own lamp base tree stand hack. Although I was almost out of paint, I only had a few sprays in each can, and I had 2 cans. I went ahead and used it on the tree to give it a light dusting of snow. As soon as I get around to picking up another can of paint, I will add more, definitely. Follow me on Instagram under Junk Shack, baby, to see the update. Since the base is really heavy and holds the tree without any kind of glue or anything, and I feel like it's pretty stable, I am not going to permanently attach it. I am just going to keep them separate so that it's easier to store. I hope you enjoyed this very cool, super affordable, sweet Christmas tree base hack. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you thought it was really cool, you could share it with your friends. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.